Hi, my name is John Spoon with i5 Toyota, and today we're going to be looking at the 2021 Highlander. So with the climate control, you have the abilities to adjust both temperatures on both sides using the sync system, or simply turn that off for your individual temperature on each side. You also have your fan control, your mode control, and the option of controlling the rear tri-climate portion of the climate control. Here you have your front defrost, your rear defrost, your mirror defrost, your windshield wiper deicer, the off button for your fan. Over here you have controls to operate the rear climate control, cabin air or outside air. And again, you have your heated seat systems over here that will also adjust with your temperature on your dials. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe.